Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and giving my initial impressions on the Logitech C922 ProStream webcam. My Microsoft Lifecam stopped working out of nowhere, and neither my MacBook or PC could detect it, and I don't know what exactly happened. I wasn't planning on getting a new webcam, but I wanted to stream a little bit more and I wanted to have a webcam while streaming. And also for work, I do need to use my webcam for some meetings, but my laptop is in clamshell mode and I'm kind of too lazy to always open it and close it. I'd rather just keep it closed for the whole day instead of having to unplug everything and plug everything back in after. So I decided to get a new webcam. I had the option between the C920 or the C922x, and one of the features that I wanted to try out was the automatic background removal that didn't require a green screen. As you'll see later in this video, it's not that great, and I think I would have preferred to save the $20, but it was only a $20 difference, so it's not too bad. But still, I think I would have been able to live with the C920. And also there are two versions of the C922 that you can get, the C922X and the C922. For the C922, it comes with a little tripod, whereas the C922X doesn't come with that tripod. I was planning on having the webcam mounted on top of my monitor the whole time, so I didn't need to get the tripod, which is why I got the C922X, and if anything I can pick a cheap one off of Amazon or use the Joby that I'm using for my main camera right now. Anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Inside the box, it's pretty much just the webcam, no surprises there. It comes wrapped in plastic, and you'll see that it comes with a 3-month XSplit subscription. If you use XSplit, that's a pretty good deal, but I use Streamlabs, so it's not that much of a use to me. I'll have the code in the description below if anyone wants to use that. Just comment if you did use it. This webcam is a full HD webcam, and it does 1080p at 30 FPS, and if you want 60 FPS, you can do 720p. The field of view is 78 degrees, and it works really well in this small room like mine. You can see a lot of the back. I'll show you in the comparison video, but I do like the field of view. The webcam also includes stereo microphones, but that's not really something that I plan on using, since when I stream I'm going to be using the Blue Yeti. But we'll do an audio test later to see the difference. Here's the camera. This is 1080p, 30 FPS. It looks pretty good, I would say. So this is how my X-T2 looks, and this is how the webcam looks. Both are at 1080p, 60 FPS for both actually. I'm gonna move this camera out of the way so you can kind of see better how it looks. It looks really clear to me. A lot of the times when I do stream, it's just a little box anyway, so honestly I could have gotten away with any webcam, but I did want to see what the C922 could do. So this is 720p 60 FPS. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It looks kind of weird on the Logitech software right now. I look a little blurry, like there's some kind of that smoothing filter going on in my face right now. But yeah, it looks really weird. Yeah, even the text on my shirt looks a little fuzzy, but maybe it'll look different once I play it back. But this is the 720p 60 FPS. You can kind of see flickering as well because of my lights, I'm guessing. But yeah, I'm not too sure how I feel about this one, but it doesn't look that great. So I'm gonna try the 720 and 30 FPS right now. This is 720p 30 FPS, and it looks a lot better. It looks a little bit different. You don't see the flickering from the lights, and also you don't really see that blurriness that I was seeing on my face. It looks pretty sharp from here, but again, when I do stream, it's going to be super, well, not that small, but it's not going to make a big difference between 720 or 1080. It's just going to be a little box on the stream anyways, so for me it looks pretty good, either 720p 30 fps or 1080p 30 fps. The weird one was the 720p 60 fps. I'll probably not use that. I don't really know what the use case is. So this is the chroma cam software that you need to get that chroma key effect. Again, it kind of looks pretty weird. The edges are not that great. As you can see, if I stay still, then it looks okay, but when I'm moving, it kind of jitters. But here's me staying still. It looks fine. I think it looks fine personally, but we can kind of see how it looks with a game. Just put myself in the corner here, and then I don't know if I have a game actually. So yeah, this looks pretty okay. I'll go into Fairbanks, but I'm probably gonna be in a queue. That's not too bad actually. Maybe I'll wait. It's only a 5-minute queue and I'm almost done this video, so maybe I'll get in. But as you can see, it's not too bad. When it's shrunk down, you can't really tell the big difference here. You can't really, it's not as jarring when it's the full 1080p, or when it covers the full 1080p. When it's just like me in this little corner, I think it looks okay. So maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. But I think in the long run, you're probably better off getting the chroma, like an actual green screen, and use that instead of this. Also, this software, I thought it was free because that's what Logitech recommended, but there's also a one-time fee of $29.99 if you want to get rid of that watermark. But yeah, it's not that bad. This is the audio from my lav mic connected to my XD2. This is the audio on the Logitech C922 ProStream webcam. I don't know if you can hear the difference, but I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'll try switching the audio input to my Yeti. And now this is my Yeti. So that's all three. Again, this is the blue Yeti. This is the C922 ProStream webcam. And this is the Sennheiser G3 connected to my XT2. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm probably going to be doing the actual streaming one next week or the week after. I'm going to be in San Francisco for work, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish the video by then. But yeah, I just wanted to get a video out this week, and I figured since I need the webcam for Twitch anyways, I'll do a quick unboxing and give you guys an overview of what it looks like and how it works. But yeah, next for the streaming video, I'll show you guys my settings as well as the performance hit, if any. And if you guys haven't followed me on Twitch yet, and you can follow me at twitch.tv/forbiddenx. I haven't been streaming too often, not at all actually these days, but I'm probably going to try streaming Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays, 9 till 12 a.m. Pacific. And I'll probably be playing Apex Classic or some Counter-Strike Go. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Peace.